Going to study first practical for SYIT and SY computer. The functionality of the logic gates. Classification of logic gates. Gates are classified into three types. That is, first is a basic gate, second is a universal gate, third is a special type of gates. First, basic gates are and, or, not. These are the basic gates. Universal gates are NAND, NOR, and special or derived gates are XOR and XNOR. Today we study the functionality of the gates, and that functionality of the gates are that first AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate and OR gate. These gates we prove the truth tables, and these gates are the basic building blocks of the digital system, and these digital gates are used in the various types of the circuits as switches or in a memories, microprocessor or embedded system. To the knowledge of the functionality of the logic gates, which helps the students to build the logic gates or digital circuits. And this is the first IC, that is a 7404. This IC is used for the logic gate for the for the NOT gate, and for the NOT gate there are this is the symbol of NOT gate. This is the symbol of NOT gate. For NOT gate there is a one input, one output, and for NOT gate IC is used 7404. These ICs are 7404. These ICs are from the TTL ICs. TTL ICs are start from the range that is 74 or 54 range. So these ICs are from the TTL ICs, and CMOS ICs are start from the range 40 ICs. 74 series and 54 series ICs are TTL IC. For TTL IC, transistor logic IC, supply is required plus 5 volt supply. This IC NOT gate IC, for NOT gate IC, input is 1, output is 1. So input 1, output 1, IC is used 7404. So for we test the functionality of this NOT gate. For NOT gate, A input, Y is equal to output A bar. If we give the input as a 0, output is 1. If we give the input 1, output is 0. This is the functionality of the logic gate. We prove the truth table of NOT gate. This NOT gate inverter, or this NOT gate is known as inverter. So this invert the bits. If input is given 0, output is 1. If output is input is 1, output is 0. We test the functionality of the NOT gate. Then first, this is the IC. For in this IC, this is the notch. This is the notch, and in this there is a name of IC 7404. From this notch we start the first point, that first pin. This is the pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that 7, this is the pin number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These all ICs for the gates are the 14 pin IC, and for this IC we require the supply plus 5 volt supply. And in this IC 7404, this IC is used for NOT gate, and in this IC there are the gates are present 6, because for NOT gate there is a input 1 and output 1, and in this one IC there are the 6 gates. 6 gate. So this is pin number 1 input, pin number 2 output, pin number 3 input, 4 output, 5 input, 6 output. Pin number 7 is connected to ground. Pin number 7 is connected to ground. Next combination is here. Pin number 8 output, 8 input, 9 output, 10 input, 11 output, 12 input, 13 output, and pin number 14 is this is the connected to VCC. In this one IC there are the 6 gates present, but this IC is a 7404. For this NOT gate use, for NOT gate there is only one input, one output, so there are the 6 gates are present. 6 gates are present. See here, this is the combination. Pin number 1 input, pin number 2 output, pin number 3 input, pin number 4 output, pin number 5 input, 6 output, 7 is ground, pin number 8 is output, pin number 9 is input, pin number 10 is input, output, pin number 11 input, pin number 12 output, pin number 13 input. This is the combination, and in this combination there are 6 gates present. we take for the experiment, there is a first combination pin number 1 input, 2 output. This is the combination of gates. So in these all experiments for the digital circuit we study on a breadboard. This is the breadboard. On this breadboard there is the this point, this connection is for VCC and this connection is for ground, and in this connection there are this pin is a 14 pin IC. So in this 14 pin IC